Unit 1, Mixed Review, number 10. Greg lives 692 feet west of the park. His best friend lives 438 feet east of the park. What is the distance from Greg's house to his best friend's house? So this is one where I would definitely draw a picture. And so we've got Greg, and he lives west of the park. So here's the park. I'm going to just draw a tree. And Greg is west. And if you remember your directions, never eat sour watermelons or soggy waffles, whichever. That means Greg is over here. And this distance is 692 feet. Then we've got his best friend who's east of the park. So that means the best friend's over here, BFF. And this distance is 438. Well, I want to know how far is it from Greg's house all the way to the best friend's house. And so to go from Greg's to the best friend's, I have to go both distances. I have to do the 692 feet that are to the park, and then I have to keep walking 438 to the friend's house. And so this is an addition problem. 692 plus 438. 2 plus 8 is 10. 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 3 is 13. And 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 4 is 11. And so correct answer is 1,130 feet.